I'm supposed to be guessing what he is right now. Turtle. Oh, I got it. Sloth. A sleepy monkey. Okay.
A crocodile.
Oh, a crocodile. Okay. It's a zoo in here, and it's time to cook. We're making honey mustard pretzel covered chicken. We're gonna use these Dots honey mustard pretzels, which are amazing. These things are so good, y'all. Dot knows what she's doing. There she is, right there. The honey mustard ones are my favorite.
There's a parrot in here.
Oh, now we have a parrot? So we're gonna crush up these pretzels. I'm gonna trim up the chicken, and we're gonna make a little buttermilk and egg mixture to dredge the chicken in, and then dip it in the pretzels. I don't think, because these are really, you know, seasoned good, I don't think I'm gonna need any other seasoning on the chicken. We'll just dip them in the buttermilk and egg mixture, and then in this. First, I need to trim the chicken. I'm preheating the oven to 425. Titus already got the potatoes ready for me before he left. He had another farm to go to, but he sliced these up for me before he left. They're gonna be like baked potatoes, but not, you know, the full potato. They're just gonna be these big potato wedges or potato slices. I keep coming back to these pretzels. They're so good. Titus wanted to get this Fatworks cooking oil to try, so we're gonna try that. He found it when he was looking at his sardines the other day. So we're just gonna lay the potatoes out on here. It doesn't matter if they overlap a little bit, because we're not really worried about these getting crispy. We want them to be like baked potatoes, so they can overlap a little. We're gonna cover these too with some more foil. There we go, that's good. Put some salt on here. And some pepper. Okay, now the chicken. Sissy got a friendship bracelet kit to make with one of her friends. We're gonna be meeting them at the park one day. She's excited about it. She's already planning out which ones they're gonna make. I'm using one of Titus's knives to trim this chicken because it's a lot easier. So I'm trimming up the chicken and then slicing them sideways to make them thinner. I should have told him to do this chicken part too before he left. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. We gotta get another slip and slide because the one from Aldi, right when the kids opened it, Tyler was out there with them the day they opened it up. He helped them get it set up. He said there was a big gash in it, like a big hole. Well, I thought he probably accidentally cut it with his knife when he was opening the box, but he said he didn't use his knife. He just opened it, you know, without anything. So it came with the big hole in it. But he duct taped it up, and I didn't know he was doing that until I got out there. But he duct taped it up, and it worked. But the more water they kept running through it, it kept wanting to spread, and they were having to put stuff like over the top of it to keep. Anyway, it was just a mess. I went out there, and they had some cement blocks stacked up over there. I was like, what are y'all doing? You can't do that. You're gonna slide into those cement blocks and bust your head. So we got it up. We're just gonna get another one. Walmart has some of the same kind, because you know that was an Aldi find from a few weeks ago, so they don't have them anymore, and they would probably still take it back. I don't know, but we already threw it away. So we'll get one that comes with those little blow up things that you slide on. You know, it's like a little float. But that game set that we got with the net, badminton, and all that stuff, that's really fun. I even get out there with them in the evenings and play some badminton or volleyball. Not good at it, but it's fun.
I'm good at volleyball.
You are, yeah. We're gonna use the mini food chopper to chop up the pretzels.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go, Sissy. You can dump those onto this plate.
Okay.
And I'm gonna get a couple of eggs.
Is this gonna be like a bread coating for the chicken?
Yeah. I'm just gonna use this pan. We're gonna put 2 eggs in here and about a cup of buttermilk. That's my refrigerator sounding like some kind of siren, y'all. It does that sometimes, tries to talk to us. I think we'll need a little more buttermilk.
Honey mustard is my favorite sauce.
I'm gonna go ahead and put in the potatoes. We'll put those on top, and I'll set this up to do the chicken. So we've got our egg mixture and our pretzel crumbs here. We'll just take the chicken, dip it in the egg and buttermilk, and the pretzels. We also did, I think I did a pretzel crusted chicken 3 or 4 years ago, but not with these honey mustard ones. It was just some regular pretzels, but we've also done a pecan crusted chicken. That's really good too. It is already smelling really good. Yeah, we'll definitely need another batch of those pretzels.
Okay.
Some of these pieces of chicken are a lot bigger than I thought. Now you just want to drizzle over a little bit of butter or a little oil. We'll use the same oil that we used for the potatoes. You just want to do a light drizzle over the chicken. We're going to set a 10-minute timer, and then we'll flip these over and go 10 more minutes and then check and see if we're done. If not, we'll just keep letting them cook until they're done. We're going to make, I think I'll do some corn or something else to go on the side. Sitting back yet to taste test it, so I'll be the taste tester today. This means it's good when while you're chewing it you do like you're leading an orchestra with your utensils. It's really good. You definitely have to like the honey mustard pretzels, so if you don't like the honey mustard, just use regular pretzels, but yeah, it's great. Potatoes are good. The donkey sauce is really good on the chicken, but you could make like a homemade, maybe like mayonnaise and sour cream or something if you don't like that. It tastes like, to me it has a little bit of a Worcestershire, horseradish, mayonnaise type deal. It's, you know, it's really good. Notice how I continue to eat the chicken. It is wonderful. Okay, so we finished eating. That chicken was good, but let's talk about this pig picking cake from yesterday's video. It's amazing. It's one of these cakes that, like, the longer it sits, the better it gets. You keep it in the refrigerator so it's nice and cold, and it feels refreshing. Even though it's cake, it's got those little oranges and the pineapples in it. You got a barbecue coming up. This is the cake you need to make. All right, we're gonna clean up and then put on some armor. The kids want us to go out and play badminton with them, but we have to prepare to go into battle with the mosquitoes, right, Manny? Look at this kitchen helper. He doesn't even have to have a stool to wipe the counter. How are you getting so tall?